What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know I've invested into a lot of things, right? I've invested into things like XRP. I've invested into Jasmy Coin. I've invested in the Terra Luna Classic. But one thing that a lot of people really love to bring up is CRO. And where is CRO? Where's it going? What am I doing? Especially after everything that we've seen that has happened. And if you don't know, I've been investing into CRO consistently every single day. Yes, I do have over 400,000 CRO in my possession. However, on the side, I wanted to see what I can get out of this consistently as I see growth, kind of investing like an ETF. So I decided to invest $10 per day every single day. And I've been doing it for the last 500 plus days. And this is where we stand. So before we get started, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, honestly, this is a fantastic platform that I've been able to utilize for 10 months. And you can leverage trade up to a 500x leverage, as well as see a see up to $10,055 worth of a bonus and get 10% extra bonus when you make your first deposit. So feel free to check it out. It is a good platform that you can utilize today if you wanted to trade cryptocurrency. But guys, CRO is definitely tricky right now. And the reason why it's tricky is because of everything that has happened. If you didn't know, they added the extra 70 billion coins that they burned off previously back to the supply. It is not in the circulating supply yet, but it will be as time goes on. So this kind of thwarted my entire plan of, seeing CRO be that long-term growth package, growth position for me that can offer me an APY as well, and more into something that could be short term, but then potentially, depending on the things that they launch and maybe becoming an S tier exchange, that they could be worth a lot more in the end and see that consistent growth potentially. So with that being said, I decided to buy a bunch of CRO, having 100,000, then growing to 200,000, then growing to 300,000. But more recently, in the last year plus, year and a half, I decided to buy $10 worth of CRO every single day. And this is where I'll show you. I'll show you where I am. So Kronos currently stands at a level of 8 cents ish. It's at 7.9 cents. It's at a 304% increase over all history. If we're looking at the last day, it's down by 1.24%. It's at a $2.4 billion market cap, and then you're going to see that 97 billion or a total of 100 billion. They have added more, and you're seeing 31.1 billion CRO in circulation. So I really don't know exactly how that's supposed to be put out there, but it does look like they're adding more CRO than what I would look at over like a year's time. You would think they would add, maybe no more than 10 billion. But again, I haven't fully broken that down to see what that would be or had any type of updates there. But in the short term, we still should see some major success in just the growth when it comes to altcoin season, and this being a major altcoin. So it does now provide a little bit more of a risk in a way, less of what it had before because we didn't know that they were going to offer these coins. So it does kind of suck to see that. But again, I'm still investing into CRO and we're still buying that. But I do have a plan for more to come off in the short term and then see this that we're currently going over today be more of a long-term asset there. So if we look at my CRO, I currently have 49,208 CRO in my possession on Coinbase. This is all of the CRO that I've been able to buy over that 500 plus day time span. It's currently worth $3,939.10. It says I'm down by unrealized loss of $766.57, but that's not the case. It's actually down a little bit more. Speaking of a high risk, investment, if you guys want to check out a new platform that came across my desk, the platform is called DFlow. They offer a high risk arena. They offer a lot of things, but they offer a high risk arena that you guys can check out newer positions. Let's say something that has the potential of growing 1,757%. Or even go into a futures account where you can trade up to a 40x on leverage. If you guys are interested in that, you can fund it with, a credit card, fund it with, your Coinbase account, your Coinbase wallet. And honestly, it is a really good platform. I've been able to use it for a little bit. And they're also running this promotion. So you guys want to check it out, where they're giving away a car, right? You have a chance to win a Tesla, a Mustang GT, or a Volkswagen Golf, where you can potentially be one of those winners and win a new car, right? But you're using a platform that could benefit you in the end. So feel free to check that out. Link will be at the top of the description if you guys are interested in it. They do offer a lot, and they have a point system to where if you have a lot of points, you get more rewards within it. So again, feel free to check out that link down below at the top of the description. I'll be talking about them more quite frequently as we go along in this. Not in this video, but in the month, and we can talk about it and see what it's all about. I'll show you some gains that I have. I'm looking to make some investments. I did throw about $100 in there, and I'm going to throw more as we have more that comes over from Coinbase to make some trades as we see the market that's coming back, giving me opportunities. So again, check it out. Link at the top of the description. But if we go to my spreadsheet here, this is where we stand for CRO. You get into the thick of things. It's not anything that's great. I've been investing into CRO, as you can see here, for 521 days. 521 days. And the amount that I paid for it is $5,210. My CRO balance is, again, $3,939.10. I am at a current loss of $1,270.90. Now, I still see a lot of potential in where CRO can go. So no matter if I'm investing at these levels or investing at 10 cents or investing at 20 cents, I still see the value in it going to 50 cents and a dollar and maybe even $2, depending on what the push will be for the overall supply. If they end up pushing billions upon billions, it seems like every month, then that may not be the case. We might not see $2 and $3, but it really all depends on that. But I currently have 49,000? I currently have 49,208 CRO. Now, with me only paying $5,000 for it, that getting to a level of a dollar would then be $49,208. And that's if no other purchases go through, and that happened today. Because tomorrow, I'm going to buy another $10 worth of CRO, which should get me another 10 or so, right? It's going to get me a decent amount. Or actually more than that, right? It's going to get me 100 if I do the math correctly, but over 100. But that's great, because I can gather 100, 100, 100, and get to another 1,000 and get to 50,000. And every 1,000 that I make or that I gain, I would expect to gain $1,000 in the end. And I'm only paying maybe $100, maybe a little bit less, $100 for those 1,000 coins. 700 or sorry, I would pay $79 or $80 for that 1,000 CRO, which is not a lot compared to what you would end up getting, which would then be $1,000 when it gets to a dollar. So that's just my plan for this, but we will see as we move along. We're still buying CRO. We will still continue to do that, and I will show you exactly what I'm purchasing. Again, $10 June 30th, $10 June 29th, $10 June 28th, $10 June 27th. It just continues. It's every day. There's no holidays. There's no breaks. There's no weekends. Every single day we buy CRO. So let me know what you think about this. Do you have any positions that you're consistently buying? Is it CRO, or do you have any other ones that you plan on doing the same for? I'm also doing things in the stock market, right, where I'm buying SCHD every single day. So that's always great, and to be able to see that consistent growth. So again, if you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys want to check out DFlow, feel free to check that out. The link will be at the top of the description, as well as you guys can check out BTCC if you're interested in either of those platforms. They're both really, really good platforms. As far as I know, as far as I've been able to research and do as much, and I want to see all the rewards you can get from DFlow, and be able to explore that a lot more. It'll be pretty cool. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.